Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can manage service appointments in version 2 on the mobile app. This will help your team to make quick booking updates without needing to switch to desktop. You can edit, reschedule, duplicate or delete version 2 service appointments directly from the appointment detail screen. This gives staff more flexibility when handling last-minute client changes, repeat bookings, or appointment corrections whilst on the go. To access this feature, please make sure that your app is updated to the version 4.10. This feature is available in the app only. It's not available through native or share link appointment flows. This appointment action menu gives users quick access to manage their service version 2 appointments really quickly on the go. So you can edit the appointment, which means you can update supported appointment details, such as services, add-ons, staffs, variations, location, title, date, time zone, coupon codes, internal notes, or even the status. You can also reschedule the appointments, meaning you can go directly to the date and time selection to choose your new appointment slot. You can also duplicate the appointment, meaning you can clone an appointment with details pre-filled, so you can adjust and save it as a new booking. And lastly, you can delete appointments, which simply means you will remove the appointment after confirming the deletion. You can also edit unpaid as well as paid service version 2 appointments. There is a difference though. To the paid appointments, there are some limitations. So let's start with the unpaid appointments first. Unpaid appointments support the most flexible editing experience because no collected payment needs to be protected. This allows your team to update the booking details when a customer changes their service needs, preferred staff member, or even the appointment information. So for the unpaid service version 2 appointments, you can edit the following fields: services, add-ons, staff, variations, location, appointment title, date and time zone, coupon codes, internal notes, and the appointment status. Once you made these adjustments, simply hit Save Changes to update the appointment. Now let's talk about editing paid service appointments. Please note, paid appointments have some editing limits. This is to protect payment accuracy and prevent accidental changes to the details tied to that collected payment. So when the payment has already been collected, the app will explain which fields are locked and why. So for paid appointments, the day and time can be changed. Structural details such as service and staff are locked. Some customer, service, or payment-related fields may appear disabled. So as a workaround, use duplicate appointments when you need to create a new booking with different service or staff details. So the app will display a note showing that the appointment is paid. It will also tell you that only supported details can be changed. This helps users to avoid making changes that could create conflict with the original payment. Now let's talk about rescheduling service version 2 appointments. So the rescheduling feature lets users move an existing appointment to a new date or time without rebuilding the full booking. This is very useful when the client requests a different slot or when staff availability changes. So when rescheduling from the mobile, users can update appointment details such as time zone, date, time, and appointment status where available. The date picker is time zone aware and helps prevent unavailable past dates from being selected. After choosing the updated schedule, tap Save Changes. So when it comes to duplicating an appointment, this means it creates a new booking using the original details, such as maybe the starting point. This is very helpful for repeat customers, similar service requests, or paid bookings where the locked details cannot be changed directly. Use duplicate appointments when a customer wants the same or a similar appointment again. A paid appointment needs structural changes, such as different service or staff details like we discussed earlier. Duplicating appointments also comes in handy if you want to reuse appointment details without re-entering anything, or if you want to use today's date as a starting point. After duplicating, make sure to review all the details, make any needed changes, and then save the new appointment. So now let's talk about deleting service version 2 appointments. Deleting an appointment simply removes the booking after the confirmation has been made. And that confirmation step helps prevent accidental deletion, especially when the appointment includes associated services. Before deleting, review the confirmation sheet very carefully, because if the appointment includes multiple associated services, Deleting it may also delete the associated appointments linked with that service. Please remember these actions are available for service appointments version 2 only. And that's it already. I hope you liked this feature and be sure to check out all of our other videos within the playlist. I will see you over there.